Hi everyone. So this is the parents video, just to make sure you're in the right place. As you know, the end of the year is fast approaching, and it doesn't look like there's going to be a way for us to get together physically. And also, I know a lot of the kids are moving on, and so I think it will be kind of strange for them to have their school year end with kind of just it stopping. And so I've been trying to think of ways to make it special for them without our end of year performance. We obviously usually rehearse and rehearse and rehearse and rehearse for those things. So I think even virtually to put them on this spot would just not be very kind to them. So what I'm going to do is a virtual choir. I've picked two songs that they know. We've sung them many times. Usually the performance is just for the older children, but I'm sending these videos to all of you because I'd love for everyone to participate. I will say the younger kids may not do the second song, they may not do either song. I am having three, oh my gosh, I'm such a preschool three options. um, three options, so that there's one where they can just dance around, and then a really easy song, and then a more complicated song that we've sung a lot. I don't know which of them they will be willing to participate in, but they can do all three or they can just do one. Anything at all would be lovely. I think being able to see everyone together on the same screen will be something that will be helpful in terms of celebrating being together while we're apart. Obviously, this is the first time I've done this, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, just how you do it, I'm going to put a practice video for each of the songs. And all you do is have them look at the practice video so they can remember the song. And then there's going to be the video they record to. And the main difference between the two is I won't be like chattering. And also they should clap twice at the beginning. I'll instruct them. I'll be like 1, 2, 3, clap. But the important thing is that they wear headphones so that we don't have 20 Miss Maya singing along with their voices, so that they can hear me and sing along with me, so we're all at the same pitch and the same tempo, but that I'm only hearing their voice in the recording. So you'll probably need two devices. I hope that is okay, where maybe they're looking at a computer screen with me on it and they're singing along with headphones plugged into the computer, and then you're recording on your phone, and you'll send me the recording from the phone and the audio will be just your child singing. I hope that makes some kind of sense. Please let me know if it doesn't. And yeah, what I'll do is I'm going to edit them all together. So there'll be little boxes, kind of like a Zoom call looks like, with the children singing together. And honestly, even if I just get a handful singing, I will do that anyway. So don't feel pressure, and if your child is giving you a lot of pushback, just don't worry about it. I'm, as a third option, going to send just a track from YouTube, that they can just dance around to. And don't worry about audio on that one. It's super easy. If they fight you on this song, play their favorite song and record them dancing around. Um, I'm just going to edit them together with the music underneath, thinking that that's something maybe the younger kids would participate in too. Okay, hopefully it works out and it will be a big experiment. We'll see what happens. Okay, let me know if you have any trouble. All right, bye.